Zimbabwe, 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 your beauty. I told you guys that Zimbabwe is absolutely insanely serious about tourism.
Check, I just want to show you the foods, ne? Check here, check here, check here. Kimunati kou fella food in Mutare.
Only a little salad.
And this one is on diet.
Yeah.
He's just eating salad, ne? And the Honorable Minister, she's eating Kimunati kou fella prawns and shikon, ne? Zimbo, Papa, Zimbo. And this man, he's a real king, this one. Because he's the only one that ordered the satsa. He is a true Zimbo, this one. And we almost ate his food, almost. The Premier. Premier, where's your satsa?
This is my. we brought this very well here.
So I'm just waiting for my satsa. And Georgie, show. We have arrived in heaven. And if you don't believe me, ne, ask these people. Ne? Michael, how close is this? Michael, how close is this to heaven?
My friend, every day is more and more a wow. And
Closer to heaven.
And here we are, 1,700 and something
Above
meters.
sea level.
Yep.
It's a
And
world view.
It's a world view from here.
This is as close as you get to heaven on earth, ne? But let me show you, ne, what heaven looks like. So this is the campsite. This is Vumba Botanical Gardens. So we get asked a lot. Where's your favorite campsite? Where's your favorite country that you visit? I can tell you this. This Vumba Botanical Gardens ranks in the top 3 favorite campsites me and Malinki visit. We love it so much. Malinki, so just show them where we are now at. Another absolute gem in Zimbabwe. This is Bridal Veil Falls in Chimanimani. And this should be a #1 tourist destination in Zimbabwe. Just pan the camera like this, Malinki. I'm going to show you now in a later video. We're going to go down to that campsite there below. And we're going to have a lekker braai today. This is Zimbabwe. This is the real Zimbabwe. If you come to Zimbabwe, no visit is complete without Bridal Veil Falls, Nyanga, Vumba, Zimparks, Zimbabwe tourism. Listen, next level. Feather in your caps. This is what it's all about. This is what we as tourists want to see. Beautiful gardens, cut lawns, awesome ablutions.